Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning I read in the paper, slightly jealously I have to admit, that the European Union has recently brought in something called the Digital Services Act. Now, I say slightly jealously because obviously after Brexit the UK is no longer part of the European Union, so we won't benefit from the Digital Services Act, which is essentially legislation designed to keep users of big social media platforms safe and to stop the spread of harmful content online. It's a long overdue attempt to use the law to bring the tech giants to heel. If you're training a dog and you want the dog to come close to you, people often shout, "Heel!" and the dog will then come and stand. If it's a well-trained dog, the dog will then come and stand by your foot, by your heel. The heel is like the bottom of your foot where your leg joins your foot. And the idea of shouting heel is to bring the dog under control. In the same way, the legislation designed to bring the tech giants to heel is designed to limit and restrict their power. It's designed to force them to obey what the European Union governments want them to obey. It's a way of reining in their power, limiting and controlling them. So, for example, maybe you've seen the Trump mugshot after he was arrested in Georgia. It looks like Trump is finally being brought to heel. He's finally being controlled and forced to obey the laws of the United States after his attempts to destroy American democracy. I was chatting to my mum the other day on the phone, and my mum is a keen gardener, and she told me that she'd more or less managed to get the weeds in the garden under control. She'd managed to bring the weeds to heel, to kind of limit, control, restrict, destroy them. In the same way, a government might try to bring militant organisations to heel, or bring a breakaway republic to heel. When I was a kid in the 1980s, we had Thatcher trying to destroy the miners' union in a broader attempt to bring trade unions to heel, as part of her mission to weaken and limit workers' rights in the UK. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use bring something to heel or be brought to heel.